Nick Espinoza, your Chief Security Fanatic and CIO here, and today we're talking about phishing emails. And phishing emails are very prevalent. Something like 90% of all emails sent these days are probably phishing emails, and it is the single largest vector for attack when it comes to trying to infect your computer. So it's kind of important to be on the lookout for these. And basically what a phishing email is a email that is designed to look like something legitimate, but actually isn't. And it's either going to send you to an internet website that will get you infected, or it might send you an attachment that is infected, like a PDF. Some common phishing emails would be UPS emailing you saying you have a package, or FedEx, or it could take the form of something more personal like, hey, this is your friend, blah, blah, blah. I am stuck in another country and I need you to send me money so that I can get a plane ticket and get back, and I will pay you back when I get home. It's these kinds of things that we see. I've gotten some myself as well that are rather interesting as well, from business associates saying that they need money or they need me to transfer money, and it's rather obvious, but not all of them come in broken English. Many of them look very legit, and companies have been taken sometimes for millions of dollars through these kinds of attacks. So it's very important to keep a look for these. Your number one defense is going to be a good spam filter. I usually recommend a cloud-based spam filter because they have the ability to inoculate for defense and newer threats much faster than an on-premise one, especially if you're a business. But that is your number one defense. And the second best defense that you've got is common sense. We know UPS is not going to send you an email saying, hey, you have a package, open this up, nor is FedEx, nor are many of these other companies. And odds are, if your friend really is stuck in a different country, you can verify it. Call a relative, call that person. I mean, why send an email when it's so easy to call you? So a little bit of common sense, good spam filter, and you can usually protect yourself fairly easy from phishing.